What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. It's gonna go over Gala. It's following our correction pattern. It's long, it's boring, it's meant to frustrate you, it's meant to stress you out, it's meant to make you sell so the whales can buy your bags at a discount. So hopefully you don't fall for that. You're DCAing or you're holding strong with conviction. If you're a believer in Gala games, we're sitting at 0.035. We're down 2.88 on the day. See a market cap 1.29 billion, 24 volume 136 million. So if we look at the chart, we're just following our analysis. Wave A, wave B, looking to come down and C. It's a 5-way move. I do chart updates in my free Discord as well as signals. You can gain access if you hang around to the end of the video. I think it's likely we create one more lower low. We could bounce from here, but I am looking for a wave 5 to complete the C, potentially down to the low 3-cent range or the middle 2-cent range, 0.024, 0.025, and then bounce back to the upside. If we look over here on the weekly chart, we're just come back to those weekly EMAs. Perfectly normal, guys. Massive explosion to the upside. Pull back almost 50% of that move and then see continuation. That's how it is. That's crypto. That's how it works. If you can't handle it, then it's not for you. But if you're patient, you're willing to wait it out. We got a lot of bull market coming in 2025. I do think we'll see a nice move back to the upside during or after Trump's inauguration, as long as he doesn't get sniped by the elites. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at. Bounce from the zone, one more lower low, bounce back to the upside. Hold these weekly EMAs, continuation. We'll see how it plays out. If you want completely free access to my trading group, which includes my analysis and signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. This will literally take 10 seconds of your time, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. When you sign up through my link, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. Take 30 seconds of your time. It's more than worth it. Send me an email after you sign up. That's all you have to do. Completely free access, my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, my Forex signals. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking profits. And one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. Almost 3,000 members in the Discord, guys. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check it out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.